Friends, today I will share tips about Play Store application in this video. When you open Play Store, try again, you are offline, something wrong. These texts are seen when you come to Play Store to download an application, then try again, something wrong text comes. Friends, you can fix this problem of Play Store application in just 2 minutes, so you have to watch the whole video. You have to first click on Setting Application. After coming to Settings, you have to click on Apps option. After that, you have to go to Manage Apps option. Go there, you have to find the Play Store option. Open the Play Store option and you see there Force Stop option. You have to click Force Stop and clear this option. Then you have to go to the Storage option and open the Storage option and click Clear the Data option. Then you go back and you have to go to the Data Usage option and turn off the Mobile Data SIM 1 and Mobile Data SIM 2 options. Friends, now open the Play Store and you will see that the Play Store has solved all the problems. Something wrong has not been written and the application is downloading properly. Friends, tell me how you liked the video by commenting. Thank you.